In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a side-by-side double bar chart in Google Sheets. We'll walk through turning a simple table into a clear side-by-side comparison chart, perfect for visualizing two data sets across the same set of categories. Start by opening your Google Sheets document that contains your data. Make sure your sheet has a column for categories, like months or product names, and at least two adjacent columns of numbers you want to compare. It helps to include a header row, so Sheets can automatically label your chart. Next, select the data you want to plot. Click and drag to highlight the category column along with both numeric columns. If your columns aren't next to each other, you can select a column, then hold Command on Mac or Ctrl on Windows to select additional columns. Avoid blank rows or extra totals in the selection to keep the chart clean. With your data highlighted, go to the top menu and click Insert, then choose Chart. Google Sheets will create a default chart and open the chart editor on the right. In the chart editor, switch to the Setup section if it doesn't open there automatically, and change the chart type to bar chart. A bar chart displays horizontal bars, which works great for comparing values across categories. If your categories and series don't look right, double-check the data range and make sure the Use Row as Headers and Use Column as Labels options are set correctly so the category names appear on the axis and each numeric column becomes its own series. Now, move to the Customize tab in the chart editor and open the Series section. To display two data sets side by side, ensure the stacking option is set to None. If the bars appear stacked on top of each other, switching stacking to None will place the bars next to each other for each category, giving you that double bar comparison. While you're here, you can also change the color of each series to make them easier to distinguish, and optionally turn on data labels to show exact values on the bars for quick reading. That's it. Your side-by-side double bar chart is ready. As you update your sheet, the chart will refresh automatically. If the chart pulls in too much or too little data, just adjust the data range in the Setup tab. This approach gives you a clear, professional comparison for any two related datasets in Google Sheets.